So over the weekend, I decided to explore the GPT Store. I want to publish content from ChatGPT to my website directly. To do that, I need to create my own GPT by clicking on Create button. Then I need to simply tell the GPT builder about my tool and what it does. Although this looks easy at first, this is actually the most frustrating part of the development. This is because you will need to keep on repeating yourself, as sometimes the old instructions were overwritten by new ones. This will also take up your quota for using GPT 4.0, so when you think you have almost solved a problem, well, just think again. You might end up waiting for 1 to 3 hours before you can actually solve the problem. So the next part is to create the YAML file. Before writing it, you will need to create an endpoint from your server. This endpoint can be written in Python or PHP programming. Both of them can connect to your database to insert data. Standard SQL knowledge will require if you are not using any frameworks. For practical purposes, I use PHP programming and WordPress framework. After creating them, it is time to test it. During my test, the GPT have written a sample content, and the only required action on my end is to click on the confirm button. The test went well and the content has been posted to my website. There were some minor issues, like the content is actually written in markup language and the author is not defined. Nevertheless, it proves that the GPT can be integrated to any system as long as you created an endpoint and can manipulate the data. From this exploration, this could possibly be part of a workflow in the future if an organization decided to integrate ChatGPT in their system.